Creating a mobile app in Wix is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. First, open the Wix application on your mobile device. Here, tap on Create New. Now select what you want to create. Enter the type of store you would like or search for the store type. Then, tap on Next. Enter your store's name. After entering the store name, tap on Next. Now select what you would like to add to your store. After making your selections, click on Next. Enter the product name and price. You can also add a photo by tapping on Add Photo. Tap on Add. Now, you will see your website being created. A mobile app can boost site engagement, as users can instantly stay updated through push notifications and chat. Finish editing your website. Then, choose the app you want and customize it to fit your brand. Once the loading has finished, your mobile app will be created in Wix.